WBOC and Fox 21 honoring Delmarva farmers.
David G. Horsey and Sons is not exactly a household name.
We think we're Delaware's best kept secret. Primarily a construction company, infrastructure, utility, the trucking company, dump trucks and tractor trailers. Dump trucks are used in our construction company, but also hauling sand from our 3 sand and gravel operations. Tractor trailers are used in hauling our turf grass.
I don't even know where to begin. I'm back to that.
This is the management team of the Horsey family's diverse endeavors, but the head of that family remains with them, observing their meetings from a portrait on a nearby comforter.
But the main thing is their father and their mother, what made these boys what they are.
The Horseys are proud of their acres of beautiful green sod, but more proud of all the young folks playing on green fields in 2 states, on teams funded by the Horsey Family Foundation.
The real product in a family farm is really the family.
That would be a fair statement.
And you've got one heck of a crop, don't you?
Yes.
Honoring Delmarva farmers is made possible by the support of our local sponsors, Allen Horan, Professional Leasing, and Walls Irrigation.